everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the ingredients which has a lot of benefits and about usage, how you should be careful about and all of it. But before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also consider following me in my Instagram account. The link for all the products which I'm going to show you in this video will be given in the description box below. Do not forget to check that out. Now without any delay, let's begin. If you're following me already, you know that I have talked about a lot of ingredients, how to choose one for your skin and the best products in each ingredient. So today I'm going to talk about one of the ingredients which is vitamin C. Vitamin C has a lot of benefits. It helps you reduce the hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and it also is very good at defending harsh sunlight. So including vitamin C in your skincare is a very good move, but there are a lot of things that you have to keep in your mind before doing that. Planning to include vitamin C in your skincare, it's always better to start with less percentage. It is not only good with vitamin C, be it any ingredient, always start with very less percentage. Once your skin gets used to it, then you can increase the percentage. I did this mistake with vitamin C. When I started vitamin C, I just directly went on to 20%, but it didn't really work very well on me. So the very good option I can tell you, which has a very less percentage of vitamin C, is vitamin C toner from Plum. This has 1.5% of vitamin C. Plum also has a vitamin C serum which comes with 15%. So this is a good product to start with, and then you can definitely increase the percentage. Another product which I have for today which has a little bit higher percentage of vitamin C is a face serum from Derma. I love the products of Derma. I have been trying a lot of it from their brand. This comes with 20% of vitamin C. Now let's talk about the usage of it. As I said, it is good to start with less percentage. Also, you should be careful about the combination that you're going to do with vitamin C. You should never mix vitamin C with salicylic acid, retinol, glycolic acid. It is safe to use vitamin C with any moisturizer which has hyaluronic acid in it. Once you use this toner or serum, you can just top it up with Clinique Moisturizer. That is the safest option. Or you can also go for Pond's Super Light Gel, or you can go for Neutrogena Water Boost Gel. All of these are very good moisturizers. And do not forget your sunscreen. It's not only because of vitamin C, otherwise also using a very good SPF is very important. I want to tell a story of mine with vitamin C. As I have mentioned earlier, I started with a very high percentage, which is 20%. I definitely noticed changes in my skin. My skin was very soft. It started glowing, but I don't know what is wrong with my skin. It doesn't just get along with vitamin C. I started getting blackheads, and I also started breaking out. When I did my research, over usage or over percentage of vitamin C can cause blackheads. I already had a lot of blackheads which was from my pregnancy, and after using vitamin C it just get worse. So I stopped it, thinking that maybe using 20% was the mistake I did, and then I used a moisturizer from Body Shop. It is a vitamin C moisturizer. I do not have it with me right now. Using that also caused a lot of blackheads, and then I just gave up on vitamin C. But I had a lot of acne marks on my skin, so I thought vitamin C would be a great ingredient to work on my acne marks. As a last hope, I thought of giving a try to this toner which has only 1.5% of vitamin C. But this did not give me any blackheads, but I started breaking out. Unfortunately, I had to come to a conclusion that my skin is not really okay with vitamin C. So my point, what I'm trying to tell here is always do a patch test. Even after doing your patch test, make sure you apply your product and observe it for a few hours. If you're feeling you're getting any itchy sensation or you're breaking out, just wash it off and do not use it again. Because while trying vitamin C, I just got a lot of breakouts, and it took me a very long time to work on my skin. There are a lot of vitamin C serums out there in the market, but be careful while choosing yours. Read complete list of ingredients and be aware of your product ingredient list. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video is helpful if you're planning to include vitamin C in your skincare regime. I'll be back with another ingredient and best products of it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.